Hi guys and welcome back here to Drone Emotion. To back here once again and with second video of this 2023, and what a way to kick things off this year than with a brand new drone. But this time it's not coming from DJI but rather from our great friends from Autel, and it looks like they're ready to take on the DJI Mavic 3. Guys, tomorrow, January 5th, they're gonna be presenting their brand new drone. And in today's video, we're gonna be talking about what is it and if it's gonna be the Evo 3 Pro or a completely different drone. But before we get started with today's video, if you're new to the channel, welcome here, and you want to keep up to date with any upcoming DJI or Autel product, you already know this is the place to come for all of the latest updates and news. And also, if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed yet, I invite you to go ahead and join the Drone Emotion family. So without any much further ado, let's go ahead and get started with today's video, which will be quite exciting. So it looks like 2023 will be a very exciting year for all of us drone fans. And well, it looks like DJI will not be the first company to release a product this year, but it looks like it will be Autel Robotics. This company has been trying for a long time now. They have been putting out some really good products, particularly in the past few years. And last year you might remember, guys, that we told you that the Autel Evo 3 was going to be releasing. Now it looks like Autel had to push things back. They had a couple of delays going on, and we didn't saw the Evo 3 last year. But just today, in their official Instagram account, Autel Robotics published the following teaser. It says the following: Meet Max, reach new frontiers, January 5th, 2023, coming soon. And well, yes guys, it looks like Autel is getting ready to release their first product of the year. And what a way to kick things off this year than with their brand new flagship drone. Now, something that is quite interesting is the name that it says Meet Max. We don't know if this is going to be the official name of this product or if they're gonna be sticking with the Evo 3. Now, I think that if they go ahead and decide to change to Max, I think it will be a good strategy to change things up, give a new refresh and image to the brand, which I think will be really appreciated. But let's talk about what's going on Autel and what they're going to be presenting tomorrow. Well, guys, tomorrow CES 2023 will be starting. This is going to be the consumer electronics show that takes place every year in Las Vegas, Nevada. And Autel normally presents their brand new flagship drones over there. And well, it looks like 2023 will not be the exception. Now let's go ahead and talk about what drone could this be. Is this going to be the Evo 3? If you ask me, I will tell you absolutely yes. We've known for a long time now that the Evo 3 is coming, and in fact, I actually have a picture of the actual Evo 3 that got leaked a while back ago. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. So there it is in screen, ladies and gentlemen. Unfortunately, we only see the top of the drone. From this image, we can see that it's going to be having 360-degree optical avoidance. And if we pay closer attention, you are going to be able to notice that front optical avoidance and the curved nose shape of the aircraft. Now, whenever we go ahead and take once again a look at the teaser that Autel gave us, we can clearly see once again that curved front nose of the drone, as well as those circular optical avoidance sensors on the front that were clearly visible on that leaked image. Now, the camera, of course, was something we were not able to get on a leaked image, so it looks like Autel is preparing what looks to be like a monster of a camera. It's gonna be having a micro four thirds sensor, so this will be completely going into battle with the Mavic 3, and it looks like just from the shape of the camera that it's actually like a not a rectangle but a square shaped camera. It looks like to be very prominent and very powerful. So I cannot wait to see the official unveil tomorrow by Autel. So stay tuned here in the channel. We're gonna be bringing you all the details that you need to know. And remember, specs of this drone coming later today before the actual official unveil. So guys, stay tuned for later today. Thanks so much for watching, and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. This is Drone Emotion, signing out.